In Cat City, the morning sun shined bright, and all the cats were enjoying their peaceful day. Milo, the cute orange cat with a brave heart, stretched and said, "Another great day to help everyone." Suddenly, the ground started shaking. The buildings wobbled, cups fell off tables, and every cat looked around in confusion. Luna ran to Milo and shouted, "Milo, something huge is coming from the ocean!" A giant shadow rose out of the water. It was Godzilla, tall, big, and confused. Godzilla looked around and said in a deep but gentle voice, "Oh, I think I'm lost." The cats panicked, even though Godzilla didn't mean any harm. With every step Godzilla took, something accidentally broke. A water tower fell, cats meowed loudly, and the whole city buzzed with chaos. Milo knew he had to act fast. He dashed into his secret hero cave and said, "Super suit ready! Power cape ready! Jet paws ready!" In a burst of bright sparkles, Milo transformed into Super Milo, the bravest hero cat of Cat City. Milo zoomed into the sky and flew straight to Godzilla's face. "Hey, big buddy," he said. "You're scaring everyone. What's going on?" Godzilla blinked slowly and replied, "I didn't mean to. I just wanted a warm place to rest. I'm so tired and cold." Milo realized the giant wasn't dangerous, just clumsy and confused.
"Listen up, team! We strike at dawn!"
Got it, boss!
But the
Cats,
city was still
let's
in
roll.
trouble. Behind them, a bridge cracked from Godzilla's heavy steps, and several kittens were stuck on top. Luna shouted from below, "Milo, help! The kittens can't get down!" Milo activated his jet paws. "Turbo mode," he announced. He shot toward the bridge, carefully picked up the kittens one by one, and carried them safely to the ground. The citizens cheered, "Milo, you're our hero!" Then Milo looked at Godzilla again and said kindly, "Follow me. I know a perfect place where you can rest without hurting anyone." Godzilla slowly walked after Milo. The hero cat led him outside the city to a soft, wide hill covered with tall grass, flowers, and warm sunlight. Godzilla lay down and sighed happily. "This place is perfect. Thank you, little hero." But Milo's work wasn't done yet. Strong winds suddenly blew across Cat City.
"I will come back soon."
Carrying leaves, dust, and broken tree branches everywhere. Luna called out,
"Thank you, Superhero Cat! You saved our lives from Godzilla!"
The big trees Godzilla stepped on are blocking the river. Milo rushed back to the river. The water was stuck, starting to overflow toward the city. Milo pushed the heavy branches aside. Other cats joined him, and together they moved the blockage. Milo smiled and shouted, "Teamwork makes power work." The river flowed smoothly again. When everything...
"Your happiness is for a short time."